Assalamu alaikum everybody, how are you? Actually, in today's video, we are going to explain you how we can use the manager software for the manufacturing. I've named a company Standard Manufacturing Company, Clean. And in this chart of accounts have been carefully designed as per the requirement of a manufacturing company. For example, we have divided inventory in these parts: finished material, raw material, and semi material. Okay, and we have calculated the cost of goods sold, direct cost and indirect cost. You can see all the relevant costs here. Assalamu alaikum. This is our next video about inventory management in Manager IO. So the first point and the basic is this, we're gonna add a inventory item. We can give it a code name, for example, F2, and we can give it a name like, finished or something, and then the unit of measurements we are using, maybe, pieces or something. Okay. Maybe. And the valuation method, first in first out, weighted average, or whatever you want. And the division, whatever division you want to give it. And the control account, here I made the customized control account for all the different kind of materials we have. For example, for finished we have made, so we can see the finished inventory separately. So there is a long required reorder point, the desired quantity, the minimum quantity, after which we can see the quantity on order is increased. If you want this item F2 to be minimum 100 pieces, so we can set it. And likewise, we can create the item. Okay, let's just now come to inventory items. I've already made, F1, finished material and raw material, R1, R2, R3, R4, and semi-finished, likewise. Also, you can easily, want to edit this view table. You can edit what are the columns you want to see and what you don't want to see. You can add or subtract any column from here. You can change their uh, uh, hierarchy or numbers, first which will come and after which will come. Okay, now we can update it. You can see it's same. I haven't changed it because the desired value is 100. So the quantity to order for us is 100. That is very important. Okay, so the quantity to order that we want to purchase or produce with production order to complete the required quantity. Assalamu alaikum everybody. Just a basic video, just for basic understanding. We go to customer tab, and there we're gonna add customer. We can write a customer name here. It could be anything, whatever is your customer name, or you can add a code for it. Uh, for example, and you can also give a credit limit here, and you can give a billing address and delivery address separately. Their email, if you configure your email, you can directly send your sales invoices just by a single click. And this is the tricky part. I have made, in control accounts, I've made two kinds of customer. One is the foreign and the other is the local one. So it's up to us. If you want to get the accounts receivable separate for both, we can. So let's go for foreign customer, and then we create the customer. So there is a customer list, same here, with the columns. We are able to see the columns we want to see, and we can change their location too. This is very in detail, so I will just stick to the simple view for now. Okay. And we can also add suppliers in the same fashion or way. You can see, you just go to suppliers, write their name. This is a dummy company. I'm not going in detail. You can write whatever, and their code, for example, S002, and their credit limits, and simply their address, because they are going to deliver us something. We don't need their billing and delivery address separator. You must write the email, and then here I have categorized in two types, so you can choose it, and the supplier would be added, like these suppliers are added. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now we'll go to the goods receipt. To receive the goods if we have ordered from the vendor or supplier. So here we are focusing on manufacturing, so I want to emphasize on that. So we have started a new goods receipt. We can add, select any supplier. We want to receive it in the raw material store, and we want to receive a raw material. Okay. And here I have added some custom fields to cater the problems we face in the companies. For example, we can give any descriptions, is customizable. And this is the QC. For example, we received 25 pieces, and we can put it to auto. We can put the reference number here of invoice number and order number, but just leave it. So we have created it, just see it. So now what we have here, uh, we have 25 pieces of R1 that we want to receive in raw material store. It is on QC, and it is not added in our inventory right now. We haven't we cannot see any change in R1 here. Okay, that is important. So let's come back to goods receipt. So now after the for example, QC is approved, and but only 22 parts are get will get approved after QC, and 3 are rejected. They're given back to the vendor. So only 22 parts would be added here in inventory. QC is done on 25 parts. uh, Quality check is now approved for 22 pieces. Now we go to inventory and see. Yes, we have received 22 uh, items here. We yet, because we have put the reorder point 25, we still have to order 3 more to complete our desired quantity. So this is something that we will see. Okay.